Hey everyone, I'm going to walk you through Power BI. We'll be covering everything one by one as we move ahead in our further videos. So firstly, we'll focus on what exactly is Power BI. So according to Microsoft, Power BI is self-service business intelligence platform which includes both desktop and web-based application for connecting, modeling and visualizing your data. So in simple word, if I explain what Power BI is, so it's a data visualization tool which allow you to connect to the data from many different sources. You can build a model by connecting different tables together, and then you can present that data into interactive dashboard and analysis reports. So with a single mouse click, you can perform a lot of business tasks in Power BI. Power BI is a very powerful and easy to learn tool. So just take a minute and talk about why Power BI is so powerful. It is powerful because you can connect, transform and load millions of rows of data. You can access data from multiple data sources and transform it and prepare your data for your further analysis. Secondly, you can build a relational model by connecting different tables together and creating a full-fledged data model. Third, you can define complex calculation using DEX. DEX stands for Data Analysis Expression. It's a formula language which will help you to define advanced analytic calculation for your business. Fourth, it will help you to visualize your data in your reports and dashboards by using different visuals present in the visualization pane. Fifth, you can develop a versatile in-demand skill set by learning Power BI. Power BI is an industrial leader in self-service business intelligence, and this skill set has a very high demand in business. So, learning Power BI can be a smart move. Lastly, it is an easy to use tool, so no prior experience or coding background is required in learning Power BI. Everyone finds this tool so easy to start with. Only a mouse click can do most of the task. Just take a minute and see some differences between Power BI and Excel. So if we compare Power BI with Excel, so Power BI is built basically to analyze and visualize your data. So it's a visualization tool which help you to present your data in a best possible way using different visuals. Whereas Excel is only built to perform calculation. It's formula driven. It follows A1 references. Whereas in Power BI we don't follow A1 references. Power BI can handle a huge amount of data very smoothly, whereas Excel starts to get hang. Power BI can show trend in minutes, whereas Excel shows trend, but those trends were not so impressive. Power BI has a user-friendly report interface, whereas we don't have any inbuilt report interface present in an Excel. We have different ways for defining roles in Power BI, whereas in Excel we have a very limited options of defining roles. So now we'll focus on comparing BI tools together in order to find differences. When we compare Power BI with Tableau, both are BI tools. So Power BI can handle a limited volume of data set as compared to Tableau. Tableau can handle huge data set without affecting the performance. Tableau can be used by experienced professionals for data analytic purpose. Whereas Power BI can be used by both new as well as experienced users. Power BI has an easy to learn interface that helps user to visualize the data and create reports. Whereas Tableau interface is difficult to understand by non-technical users. Tableau uses multi-dimension expression to create complex calculation and measure columns and dimensions, whereas Power BI uses Dex to build formulas and expressions for measuring the columns. So these are some of the basic differences between two. So we'll be focusing next on how to install Power BI on our local machine. So now we'll install Microsoft Power BI Desktop together. So Power BI Desktop is free to use. You can install it by the provided links. Once you hit any of the link, you will land on this page. From here you select the language as English and hit download button. Second, you need to then run the exe installer and follow the setup steps. The process is quite simple. If you face any challenge, please do let me know. I'm happy to help you all. So, as we get overview of Power BI and also check the comparison, we are now ready to deep dive in Power BI interface. So we'll check that in our next video. So till then, stay safe and be focused. Thank you.